Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to build NAND gate. So you guys can see this is the schematic diagram of the NAND gate, and I'm going to use the Tinkercad software to build the NAND gate. So first I'm going to bring the breadboard. I'm going to gather all my components first, and then I'm going to talk about how to build it. So then I have the resistors, three resistors. And after that I have my LED. I need a 9-volt battery. I'm gonna gather all of them. And then 5-volt regulator. Then the IC chip. So for the NAND gate is 748C00, which is here. And then I'm gonna start wiring it. So then I have two resistors, which is for my inputs, and another for the output. So let's first change the value of the resistor to 330 because I think it will be too much for the LED. Then this one. Let's connect the ground and the positive part first, and then have the chip here. And so you can see that this is the power line, so I'm gonna go to the power. I'm gonna use red, and for the ground I'm gonna use black so that it is easy to see. So for the input you can say 4B and 4A. So for the first one I'm going to do 4A. For the second one I'm going to do 4B. And then for the resistors we have the output. So, and then the LED cathode anode will be connected with the resistor, cathode will be connected to the ground. And then I'm gonna work with my we need also a dip switch, because without dip switch we can't know like if our breadboarding is correct or not, or if there is any problem with the connection or something. So then we have 5-volt regulator, and then 9-volt battery. Now let's start the simulation and check. So you guys know that NAND gate is opposite of AND gate, and if you guys have any problem with the issue about how it is opposite or how NAND gate works, then we have our YouTube videos about it. You guys can check it out. So for the NAND gate, I'm gonna say that it's opposite of AND gate. So we know that AND gate, when all the inputs are on, output is gonna be on, but it's gonna be opposite for the NAND gate. So you guys can see that all inputs are off, the two of them we use for now, and the output is on. So if I turn it on, it's gonna be off because it's opposite, right? See, if one of them is on, it's on. So it's gonna be completely opposite of AND gate. So thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.